What if a user could enter their symptoms, and an AI instantly predicts a possible medical condition, along with commonly used medicines and dosage timing? In this video, we're building an AI medical doctor web application using Python, machine learning, and Flask. We'll train a real ML model for symptom-based prediction and design a clean, modern UI using Tailwind CSS, all with just 2 files. Let's get started.
Alright, first things first, we gotta grab our tools. Flask is gonna run our website, and Sklern is the heavy lifter for the AI. We're grabbing Count Vectorizer to turn words into numbers, since computers can't read English, and Multinomial NB, which is just a fancy name for a probability model that's really good at guessing categories. Standard procedure here. We're just telling Python, hey, wake up, we're building a web app named app.py. We need to teach the AI what's what. Since we don't have a massive hospital database, we're hard-coding a mini cheat sheet. We're basically telling the AI, if you see shivering and body pain, it's probably the flu. This part isn't AI, it's just a lookup table. Once the AI figures out you have a migraine, we come here to grab the standard advice. Note the educational only tag, gotta be safe legally. Okay, the AI is picky. It hates nested dictionaries. So we have to flatten our data into 2 simple lists, one list of questions, texts, and one list of answers, labels. We loop through our data to build these up. Here's the magic trick. We pass our text through the vectorizer, and it counts up all the words. It basically turns I have a headache into a math problem that the computer can actually solve. Time to hit the gym. .fit is where the model actually learns. It looks at the word counts and the disease labels and figures out the patterns. Boom, training done. This is just the front door. When someone goes to your site, we show them the index.html file. This is where the user talks to us. We grab what they typed, run it through the exact same math converter we used earlier, transform, and then ask the model, okay, what disease is this? We got the diagnosis, now let's package it up. We grab the medicine info from our dictionary and wrap it all in JSON so the front end can read it easily. And action. Debug equals true is a lifesaver. It restarts the server every time you save a file, so you don't have to keep stopping and starting it manually. We're being lazy but smart here. Instead of writing 100 lines of CSS, we just import Tailwind. It lets us style everything directly in the HTML tags. Fast and clean. Just building a nice card to hold our app. We center it, give it a white background, and throw a shadow on it so it pops off the page. Here's the input. We use a text area so the user can ramble a bit about their symptoms. We hook it up with an ID, symptoms, so we can grab the text with JavaScript later. This empty div is just waiting for data. It's invisible for now, but once the AI replies, we're going to inject the results right here. Crucial step. e.prevent default stops the page from reloading. Without this, the page would refresh, and the answer would disappear before you could even read it. This is the messenger. We use fetch to shoot the symptoms over to our Python backend. We package it up just like a standard form submission so Flask knows how to read it. The moment of truth. We wait for the JSON reply, and then we paste the HTML directly into the page. We show the diagnosis, the meds, and that very important legal disclaimer, safety first.